Spooky, spooky, very spooky. Oh no, it's a monster. Spooky, spooky, very spooky. What's that?
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, my friends. I really hope you're enjoying your holidays. As Halloween is approaching, I was hoping we could do a little spooky crafty activity together. We will create tiny little ghosts together. And for that, you will need paper tissue, smaller pieces of paper, elastic bands, and a black marker or a pen. I'm hoping you'll be able to find all of these at home.
Very spooky. What's that? It's a ghost. Spooky things doing spooky dance. Spooky things doing a spooky dance.
Are we all ready? If so, let's get crafty. First, you will take your paper and fold it with your hands just like this until you create something that is in the shape of a ball. This will be the ghost's head. After you have your little paper ball, you will take your paper tissue and you will place this little ball in the middle of it. Then you will try to take your paper tissue and hide the ball inside of it. This is already starting to resemble the ghost's body. Once we have the head of our ghosts and the body, we will take an elastic and wrap it around, just like this. This makes sure the ghost's head is secure. Now we can take a marker and mark the ghost's eyes and mouth. I'm going to make a smiley ghost. And there we go, that's our little ghost. And that's it, my friends. As you can see, I've also created an angry ghost and a scary ghost. Feel free to draw any types of faces on your own ghosts. And good luck!